Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef bone broth in a slow cooker. Begin by preheating the oven and roasting bones until browned for richer taste. Transfer roasted bones to your slow cooker and add cold water, a splash of vinegar, and aromatics. Keep the cooker on low for many hours, skimming foam early, then strain and cool before refrigerating or freezing for later use. Gather your bones and vegetables and lay everything out before starting. Roast bones on a baking sheet until deeply brown to build savory complexity. Chop vegetables into large pieces to avoid releasing bitterness during long cooking. Add bones and veggies to the slow cooker, pour in cold water to cover, and add vinegar to help draw out minerals. Season lightly and prepare to cook on low. Set your slow cooker to low and resist the urge to lift the lid often. Skim any foam that rises in the first couple of hours to keep the broth clearer and more pleasant. If you want richer color, finish with an hour on high before cooling. Once done, strain carefully, cool in shallow containers, and refrigerate. The fat will solidify on top and help seal in flavor during storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.